Hey guys, just a quick unboxing of a new fitness tracker that I picked up to get me through this lockdown, so I'm giving this a go. I was looking at the Fitbits and a couple of others, but this worked out to be best value. Hopefully it does what I need it to do, but let's get it opened and I can show you guys what comes with it. Pretty basic packaging, not even a screen protector, which is a bit weird, or like any kind of wrap. I guess it's good that they're minimizing the plastic, but yeah, a bit surprised actually. Hopefully it's not used. It doesn't look like it is. I ordered this directly from Samsung. To just have a quick look at it, looks more like kind of packaging dust. It's got a weird little buckle. So I guess it goes up and in. Okay, got it. Okay, so what else is in the box? Oh. Quick start guide and warranty card. That's about it. And obviously charger, very short cable, probably no more than, I don't know, 15 centimeters, and it's got a clip. I'll do a full review. If you guys want to see it, just let me know in the comments below. I want to give it a go. One of the reasons I went with this is because it's meant to hold on to charge for a couple of weeks apparently, so we'll see if Samsung live up to their claim. So if you want to see a full review or kind of medium long-term review of it in about a month or so, then please let me know in the comments below. And as always, I'd be grateful if you could like and subscribe. Thank you very much.